To begin with, we have a Mont Blanc limited edition pen. It's the Catherine the Great, I believe it's called. Little bit of information about it. It's in aubergine colored precious resin. It's plated in rose gold. The ornamentation features blossom wreath motifs. The 18-karat gold nib is engraved with the symbol of the Russian monarchy, the two-headed eagle. Oh, okay then, that's it. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Here it is. Can I have the cameras on it? So perhaps, yeah, that's better. You can look up on the screen. You can get a better idea of what it looks like. Okay, the minimum bid is 1 lakh. 1 lakh of rupees. That's the minimum bid, and it goes up in multiples of 10,000 rupees. So, okay.
We need some lights in the audience, please. Can we have the house lights on?
Yeah.
You need to see the gas on the faces.
I can't see anybody's face, I can just see lights. Lights. Can we have, ladies and gentlemen, this is for Savera. It's for a good cause. Okay, see, I can't, I'm sorry, I can't see. 1 lakh of rupees, yes. 1 lakh of rupees here. Come on. We're looking at 1 lakh 10. Lights here. 1 lakh. 1 lakh 10. 1 lakh 10. 1 lakh 2. It goes up in multiples of 10,000.
I don't know rupees. I put in the upward.
110,000 rupees. Yes? Okay, we have 1 lakh 10 here. Very good. 1 lakh 10 for this beautiful limited edition Catherine the Great Mont Blanc pen. Come on, anybody else? 1 lakh 20. Are we looking at 1 lakh 50 for 1 lakh 10?
There's one.
1 lakh 20. Milind Soman! Woo! Or will you just say below to me? 1 lakh 20? What? Oh, God. Good looking models have a very, very big heart. Thank you. 1 lakh 30. This is worth 150. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Or does the gorgeous Milind Soman get to take this pen home? Yes, 130? 130?
See the pen.
There you go.
Guys, this is a chance to outbid the gorgeous Milind Soman.
Really nice pen.
And you're going to
Sing some hands.
I know. Aren't you jealous?
120 it is at the moment. Come on, 130? Are we looking at 130? Later. Well, if there are no other bidders, going once, going twice, go to the gorgeous Milind Soman for 1 lakh 20. Thank you, Milind.
Milind, thank
Very big heart. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Saying deal. Madira, you want to tell about this wonderful
From the Kent, one of the finest luxury tour operators in the world with 42 years of experience, and they have about the 5-star deluxe. Now, Karishma is a lovely lady.
Yes, the value of this is over 2 lakhs.
150, 150. Okay, we've got 150. 160. Holiday worth 2,50,000. Yes? This is at the Taj Exotica Resort and Spa. This property will be Mauritius's only all-villa beach resort spread across 27 picturesque acres overlooking the shimmering blue waters of the... 140? 140. How about 150? Come on. 150. Excellent.
160.
No? 200,000? Come on. 200,000 Indian rupees. Can I convince any? Okay, 190 once. Okay, now this is one which I would really like to Oh, Rishi! Imagine him cooking a dinner for you! But he's going to be cooking a dinner for you. 70,000
He
rupees.
wants to know whether Matthew Aiden does anything else.
Either of Sanjay. He does. 75,000 here. 75,000. Let's make it 80. No, 5,000. 50,000. This is it. Ladies and gentlemen, 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees. Mr. Gojwani. 70,000 rupees. I love it when it's like this. 70,000 rupees. Are we looking at 80 for this beautiful 60 cents? Okay. That was some quick bidding and then just stop. 80,000. 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. Are we looking at 90? 90,000 rupees. Do you want the cameras to come on this? Close up. Can you? 1,000 rupees. Come on. 90,000 for the 60 cents. 90,000. You could take it down. I have too many things in my hand. This is created by Ravison specially for Think Pink. And the start price for this is 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. 35. Okay, only you can do it. 35,000 rupees. Are we looking at 40,000? 40,000. 50,000 rupees for this beautiful limited edition Ravison vase. You could do that. 50,000 rupees. Come on, 50,000 rupees for Think Pink. 50,000 rupees. Everybody loves holidays here. What's the story? 50,000 rupees? Come on.
Come on, guys, we need your generosity.
Come
It's
on,
all going
let's
towards
see
the
how
cause.
generous Mumbai is. 50,000 rupees for this one-of-a-kind vase. No? Sanjay? Yeah, well, I know. Okay. Come on, can't I convince anybody for 50,000 rupees for this work of art? Oh, thank you! 50,000 rupees. Big hand. 50,000 rupees. I'm looking at 60. Apart from you, nobody from this section is even bidding. 60,000 rupees. Come along.
Thank you so much for your generosity. And ladies and gentlemen,